The apple, Malus domestica, is one of the most iconic and widely consumed fruits globally, with a history that stretches back thousands of years. Its significance transcends mere nutrition, embodying cultural, historical, and symbolic meanings across various societies. Apples are believed to have originated in Central Asia, particularly in the mountainous regions of Kazakhstan, where the wild ancestor of the modern apple, Malus sieversii, still grows today. From these humble beginnings, apples have traveled across the globe, cultivated and cherished for their taste, versatility, and nutritional value. Historical context. The cultivation of apples can be traced back to ancient civilizations. Archaeological evidence suggests that apples were cultivated by the Sumerians around 4000 BC and later by the Egyptians. They were highly regarded in ancient Greek and Roman cultures as symbols of beauty and temptation. The Greek myth of the golden apple represents desire and discord, as it was said to have been awarded to the fairest goddess, leading to the infamous Trojan War. In Roman times, apples were consumed in various forms, including fresh, dried, and as cider, showcasing their versatility. As European settlers migrated to the Americas, they brought apple seeds and saplings with them, leading to the establishment of numerous orchards. By the 17th century, apples became a staple in North American agriculture. The apple's ability to thrive in various climates and its adaptability made it a crucial crop for settlers, who relied on them for food and cider production. This led to the establishment of many varieties that suited different regions and climates. Varieties and characteristics. Today, there are over 7,500 known varieties of apples, each with its unique flavor, texture, and color. These can be broadly categorized into three types: sweet, tart, and savory. Popular varieties include Red Delicious, known for its deep red color and sweet flavor. It's often associated with classic American apples. Granny Smith, this green apple is celebrated for its tartness, making it ideal for both eating raw and baking. Fuji, a cross between Red Delicious and Rolls Janet, Fuji apples are sweet, crisp, and juicy, perfect for snacking. Honeycrisp, known for its balance of sweetness and acidity, along with an exceptionally crunchy texture, this variety has gained popularity in recent years. Gala, a small to medium-sized apple that is sweet and aromatic, Gala apples are excellent for fresh eating and salads. Braeburn, this variety offers a unique flavor profile, combining sweetness with tartness, making it great for both eating and cooking. The diversity of apple varieties means there is an apple for every palate, whether one prefers a sweet, juicy bite or a crisp, tart crunch. Additionally, apples are not only consumed fresh, they are also used in various culinary applications, from pies and tarts to sauces and beverages. Nutritional benefits. Apples are often lauded for their impressive nutritional profile. A medium-sized apple typically contains about 95 calories, 25 grams of carbohydrates, 4 grams of fiber, and a modest amount of vitamin C. The fiber found in apples, particularly pectin, is known to promote digestive health and may help lower cholesterol levels. The antioxidants present in apples, including flavonoids and polyphenols, are believed to play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. Furthermore, apples have a low glycemic index, making them a healthy snack option for those managing blood sugar levels. The combination of fiber and water in apples contributes to a feeling of fullness, which can be beneficial for weight management. Regular consumption of apples has been associated with various health benefits, including improved heart health, enhanced lung function, and reduced risk of stroke. Culinary uses. The culinary versatility of apples is one of the reasons for their enduring popularity. They can be enjoyed raw, cooked, or juiced, and they feature prominently in a myriad of dishes. Some classic culinary uses for apples include baking. Apples are a staple in desserts such as apple pie, cobblers, and crumbles. Their natural sweetness and ability to retain moisture when cooked make them ideal for baking. Sauces. Homemade applesauce is a simple yet delicious way to use apples. It can be served as a side dish, used in baking, or enjoyed as a healthy snack. Salads. Sliced apples add a refreshing crunch and sweetness to salads, pairing well with ingredients like nuts, cheese, and greens. Cider, apple cider, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic, is a beloved beverage. Hard cider has gained popularity in recent years, with many craft producers experimenting with different apple varieties and fermentation methods. Savory dishes. Apples can be used in savory dishes as well, complementing flavors in salads, roasted meats, and even soups. Cultural significance. Beyond their nutritional and culinary merits, apples hold a special place in various cultures and traditions. In Western culture, apples are often associated with knowledge and temptation, as epitomized in the biblical story of Adam and Eve. The apple has also become a symbol of education, with the phrase, "an apple for the teacher," signifying appreciation and respect. In many Asian cultures, apples symbolize peace and prosperity. They are often given as gifts during festivals and celebrations, representing good fortune. Additionally, the apple has been celebrated in literature and art, from Isaac Newton's discovery of gravity, inspired by an apple falling from a tree, to the use of apples in fairy tales and folklore. The significance of apples extends to various idioms and expressions. Phrases like, "the apple of my eye," convey affection and endearment, while "rotten to the core" serves as a metaphor for something fundamentally flawed. Apples are also associated with health and wellness, as reflected in the saying, "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," emphasizing their role in a balanced diet. Environmental impact and sustainability. In recent years, the environmental impact of apple production has come under scrutiny. While apples are cultivated in many regions, the methods of farming can vary widely. Conventional apple farming often involves the use of pesticides and fertilizers, which can have detrimental effects on local ecosystems. However, there is a growing movement toward organic apple farming, which promotes sustainable practices that minimize chemical use and prioritize soil health. Consumers are increasingly seeking out organic and locally sourced apples, supporting farmers who engage in environmentally friendly practices. Community-supported agriculture, CSA, programs and farmers' markets provide opportunities for consumers to purchase fresh apples directly from local growers, promoting sustainable agriculture and reducing the carbon footprint associated with transporting produce over long distances. Conclusion. In conclusion, the apple is more than just a fruit, it is a symbol of cultural heritage, nutritional value, and culinary versatility. With a history that dates back thousands of years, apples have evolved into one of the most beloved fruits around the world, cherished for their flavor, health benefits, and adaptability. From their role in ancient myths to their modern-day status as a staple in kitchens and grocery stores, apples continue to captivate and nourish people across the globe. Whether enjoyed fresh, baked into a pie, or pressed into cider, apples are a timeless fruit that holds a special place in our diets and hearts.